In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move and select the cursor in Microsoft Word. Understanding how to control the cursor is one of the most important basic skills when working in Word because it allows you to navigate your document quickly and select text for editing, formatting, or deleting. Let's start with moving the cursor. The cursor, also called the insertion point, is the blinking vertical line that shows where your text will appear when you start typing. The easiest way to move the cursor is by using your mouse. Simply move your mouse pointer to any location in the document and click once. The cursor will immediately move to that position, allowing you to start typing or editing text there. Another common way to move the cursor is by using the keyboard arrow keys. Press the left arrow key to move the cursor one character to the left, or the right arrow key to move one character to the right. The up arrow moves the cursor to the line above, while the down arrow moves it to the line below. This method is very helpful when making small adjustments while editing text. You can also move the cursor more quickly using special keyboard shortcuts. For example, pressing Ctrl plus right arrow moves the cursor one word to the right, while Ctrl plus left arrow moves it one word to the left. If you press the Home key, the cursor jumps to the beginning of the current line, and pressing the End key moves it to the end of that line. To move to the top of the document, press Ctrl plus Home, and to jump to the bottom, press Ctrl plus End. Now let's talk about selecting text. Selecting text allows you to apply formatting, copy text, or delete it. To select text using the mouse, click at the beginning of the text you want to select, hold down the left mouse button, and then drag the mouse across the text. The selected text will be highlighted. You can also select text quickly by double-clicking or triple-clicking. Double-clicking a word selects the entire word, while triple-clicking anywhere in a paragraph selects the whole paragraph. Using the keyboard is another efficient way to select text. Hold down the Shift key while pressing the arrow keys to extend the selection. For example, Shift plus right arrow selects one character to the right, while Shift plus down arrow selects the line below. And finally, if you want to select all the text in the document, simply press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard. Mastering these cursor movement and selection techniques will help you work faster and more efficiently in Microsoft Word. Once you become comfortable with these shortcuts and methods, editing and navigating your documents will become much easier. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next tutorials.